channel. Guess what? It's going to be a good day. Got some new parts. My first favorite part, let me flip you guys around here, is this one right here. Because it came from the Kings Must Rise out in, I believe, Calgary, Canada. Yeah, I've been watching Birdie's build ever since his FRS was black. From the moment he built his first splitter out of his garage to what they are now. And I finally got that. So we'll open that in a second. And this one, what do you think it is? Yeah. So I'll do install on both of these separately. Alright, let's get this guy opened up. See what this one came from. Y'all see it? Came from the Kings Must Rise out in Canada. See what we got here. Alright. Oh, there it is. Anything else in there? There's still something in there. Look at that, look at that. They send you a little tag here with a promo code for a little bit of money off your next purchase. I won't show you guys, this is probably just my invoice. But yeah, just an invoice. Let's it is a turn signal extender, and I'll show you guys why that's a big deal. It's such a big issue here in a minute. These are pads. I'll use them. So I'm assuming you take these pads and put them around your indicator knob. That way they hold up in this little circle. And this is all fully adjustable. It's pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie, that's really cool. I'll see you guys when I go to install it. I'll show y'all how to install your turn signal extension. I mean, it's really not that hard. You just need the right tools to put it on. Slides right on your indicator lever. Excuse me. But not to insult your guys, I'm sure there's just some people out there that don't know how to do it, so I'll do a video. Let me finish the cigarette and we'll get to it. Alright guys, all you need for this install is, I mean, you don't really need the pliers. All you really need is that Phillips screwdriver if you just want to hand tighten that on. But I'm going to get a little tighter because I'm pretty aggressive when I slap my indicator. But yeah, this is all you need in your part. And I'll show y'all how to put it on. Alright y'all, we're in the car. It's cold. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and figure out where I need to put it. Alright, so I got to put on the steering wheel. And this was the main problem. So look at the gap in between my steering wheel and my indicator. But you see how much distance there is between this steering wheel, and this isn't even deep dish. I'm going to run deep dish soon. How much distance there is between the steering wheel and the indicator. I'll be driving, I got to turn it off here and turn on my indicator like a twat, like this. And I don't like that. You know, it's a pretty far reach compared to just being able to flip up and down. So that's what this tool is going to fix. Put y'all back down here. And please, Birdie, if you see this video, which I highly doubt you will, and I do this wrong, feel free to yell at me. I'm guessing, so I'm gonna put it right about. From the bottom of my heart, Birdie, thank you for allowing me to be lazy again. Lazy when I drive, not even that lazy when I drive. Oh, but that's pretty much it. One screwdriver, one pair of pliers, that's all you need, and it's done. Next step's to get these taillights out, so I'll see y'all then.